Woodpeckers are found all over the world, whether in the forest, desert, or mountains at any elevation. The woodpecker will sound like a neighbor knocking at your door. Acorn woodpeckers are smart, medium-sized birds who store acorns like squirrels, but instead they place the acorns in the trees with holes in them. The feathers on the head are mixed with brown and black, along with patches of white. Their habitat is in a coastal area, canyons, and a place called the foothills. Acorn woodpeckers can be found in the USA, Central America, and Colombia. American three-toed woodpecker are one of those woodpeckers who have 3 toes. Their toes are great at gripping into trees. In America, they live more in the north. Their cousin is the Eurasian three-toed woodpecker. The American three-toed woodpecker is a small bird with black and white feathers with a patch of yellow on top of the head. Their habitat is in the Rocky Mountains and the Great Lakes and the trees. Downy woodpeckers are small birds. Their feather design is more like black and white stripes on their wings, patch of white on their belly area, and a patch of red on top of their head. Downy woodpeckers are athletic, flyers. When downy woodpeckers knock on trees, it sounds like drums. Where downy woodpeckers will be found is in wooded land, deciduous trees, and areas where there are a lot of bushes. They live in the Pacific Northwest in the USA. Gila woodpeckers is named after a river in the United States. The Gila River flows from Colorado, New Mexico, and Arizona. They help the saguaro cactus to grow better in the desert. Gila woodpeckers get water from their food, so it will not dehydrate in the desert. The feathers are black and white striped feathers, and also on the tail feather. And there's brown, mixture of brown and gray on their body. Gila woodpeckers are medium-sized birds at around 9 inches tall. Northern flicker woodpeckers are large birds since they are around 11 inches tall. Their feathers are a mixture of gray and brown. They got black dust patterns on them and on their wings and body, and patch of black below the neck area. Red tail feathers and gray beak. Northern flicker woodpeckers enjoy being on the ground more than flying on the trees. They only fly in the trees to rest. The woodpeckers fly up and down like being in an elevator. The northern finch woodpecker can be found in wooded areas in the USA states of Texas and in the Plain States. Arizona woodpeckers live west of Mexico. They are highly sociable birds since they get along with other bird species. The Arizona woodpecker's favorite food is fruit, berries, and seeds. The Arizona woodpecker's home is in oak, maple, and sycamore trees. They stay in one place and not migrate in the winter. The color the birds come in with their feathers is black, white, feathers on their wings, and a mixture of brown and white feathers on their body, and a patch of red on top of their head. And they're about 20 centimeters tall. Woodpeckers peck at trees to find food, create homes, and to communicate to other woodpeckers.